guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be doing the Truthful Youtuber Tag. I don't know where this came from, but I felt that move was necessary. Y'all might be like, Kim, you're a little weird today, and I got drink in my cup. I got drink. Y'all already know. If you guys be on my lives, you already know what is in my glass right now. I am 28 years old. Hello. This is white Hennessy and Pepsi. Ta-da! I just thought this was just perfect for me. Because I got to shout and say. I always have something I want to say, you know what I'm saying? And I always just tell you guys on my live. But today, honey, y'all like my hair? Isn't it like so cute, so different, so fresh? I feel rejuvenated. I feel like new. The video is about the tag. So, first question. I got my iPad here. Have you ever received a product, tried it, didn't like it, and decided not to review it? Girl, yes. Oh, yes. So there's two things. You guys know I recycle my products all the time, but there's two products that I received in my YouTube lifetime, and I'm just like, what the fuck? You know? Oops, sorry. Sorry, I was... Oh, yeah. It's this, you guys. This, my friend, is, I guess, a comb. It's a finger comb to comb your hair, but it mimics a hand. It don't work. I'm sorry. It's more trouble than it does help. Bitch, throw the whole hand away. Throw it away. And the next one is this tress guard thing, y'all. Okay. So it says, be on guard. Always practice safe tress. And this basically supposed to go on your flat iron so that you don't have heat damage. This what it look like. All right. So it's these little plate things that's supposed to Velcro over. Yeah. The heat barely get through the shit. So your hair really don't be straight. It was a no. It was a no. So yeah, I received those. I wasn't really supposed to review them. Like, I wasn't obligated to review it anyway, but they sent it and I was just like, sis, it's a no for me, dog. I got a few more things, but for the sake of this video, we gotta keep going, okay? Number 2, product you use alone but don't show or use online. I don't know. I do empties, so not really. Other than like face products, but my channel isn't about face products, so I would have to say no. I would never do that to you guys. Not that I know of. No. All right, number 3, products that you want but I won't buy because I don't support the brand. No. And I'm saying this because if I don't, the brands that I don't support, I have no connection to. I don't give a shit. I probably even got your products. I'm just not going to use it. So I don't want them and just don't want to use it because I don't support the brands. I don't support the brands, which means I don't want to use it. Hello? And I don't want to use it anyway. That shit ain't good enough. Hello? Number 4, do you have any blocked words? Yes, nigger. N-I-G-G-E-R. Yes, because my niggas ain't gonna ever come on my channel and say nigger. So, yes, I have it blocked. Hello? Hello? My nigga. Do you delete comments? If so, why? The fuck kind of question is that? Hell yeah. This is the energy over here. Okay? You say something out the way without an LOL on the end, we blocking you, sis. I don't care. I will block. I get block happy because I don't care. You're not about to get these free tips and insult me. The fuck you mean? Before you start and say, this is what I signed up for. Well, bitch, you signed up for that block. Hello and good day. We're going to the next question. Oh. That question actually was, do I delete comments? Yeah, I was ready for the block question. I seen it on somebody else's shit. I was like, bruh, let me get to that bitch. Yeah, block. Oh, yeah. But yeah, that wasn't the question. That was actually number 6. But number 5 was actually, do I delete comments? And if so, why? But that kind of goes in with, you know, the whole, do I block people? Because if I delete your comment, I'm possibly going to block you. So they're kind of the same thing. But yes, of course, I delete your comments. You cannot spread that negativity to the Kimchi gang. You got to be gone. We don't like that over here. We're living lavish. We're melanin down to the ground, curls popping, energies flaying, Beyonce slaying. Let's do the damn thing. Next question, which is number 7 now. Have you ever lied about a product to stay on good terms with the brand? No, I have not. When I do my review is not to say it's amazing. It's not to brag. It's not to be a commercial. That's not what I'm here for. I'm here to give my review because I stressed it with the brand as well. There may be something I don't like. It may not be as moisturizing. So I'm not going to be like, oh my God, this is the most moisturizing product. I'll probably say something like, it has some good moisture. Have you ever initially liked the product when you reviewed it and then changed your mind and didn't let your audience know? Yes. What? No, I'll let y'all know about the text ID. Hold on. Nah, bruh. I'm trying to think. I'm looking at my product shelf right now. No. I don't think there's anything. I'll let y'all know everything. Damn. Number 9, influencer you don't trust. Oh, well, if we're talking about personally, there's a lot of them motherfuckers I don't trust. Hello. A lot of them can't be trusted with your ideas. They can't be trusted with your friendship. A lot of people use you. So yeah, we do have those, but I'm thinking that this question isn't necessarily asking that, right? It's asking if I trust what they say in their video, right? I'm gonna go with that. I don't know. I don't follow a lot of people. I will say that I don't subscribe to a lot of people. It's a general statement. It's not gonna be a specific person, but I do not trust the YouTubers that use a product and you rave about it in that sponsored video or non-sponsored video, but you never use it again. No, like seriously, like sis, wait. You mean to tell me that product was so great, but you just didn't use it again? Again, no other video, not one. It's like, none. Oh, okay. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Yo, I just put this lip gloss on. This is the Shayla and ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip. Ooh, Shayla. Girl, this is neat freak. That's basically the type of influencers that I don't trust, and I see it a mile away, sis. Get your life together. We want to see honest, genuine people reviewing products that they love. Y'all let these sponsorship go. That's corporate life all over again. Don't get caught in the sponsor game, okay? Unless you already fuck with the brand, like I be doing. Influencer you trust the most. Well, I trust Jackie Aini, clearly. I mean, I trust Jalen. Duh, that's my friend. Well, Natural Rain here on YouTube. Keep it professional, Kim. Keep it professional. Only One Dress, I trust her too. De La Soul, that's my, let me tell you, that bitch crazy, okay? Honey will tell you if that product does not work. Definitely love her. I like Minnie Marley. Hers be good. Natural Niecy. She definitely only review good stuff. You know, the stuff she likes. Number 11. Secret tips or product application you don't show while on camera. I kind of show everything. I showed you guys what not to do with a wash and go. I done showed you plenty of times what to do with a wash and go. I done showed you so many different combos. Ain't no more tricks I can come up with at my ass. Actually, it might be some more up in there, but you know, I don't know. Off the top of my head, I can't really think of nothing. Number 12, have you showed one product but you actually was using another? No. I'm so scared to lie because I don't know. I'm the type of person, I can't really keep up with a lie. Like I really can't. Like, if I tell you a product good, and then I come around, I might slip out and be like, oh, shit, some ugly shit. Like, this is some horrible shit. Like, I would literally say that. And y'all be like, bitch, I thought you liked it. See, I don't like to be caught in that type of situation, so I just tell the truth and nothing but the truth. Let's say I'm putting on a shampoo. I might not be like, oh, this is the worst shampoo. I might be like, it's definitely cleansing. Very cleansing. It'll definitely strip everything out. But that's telling you, hey, this is not a moisturizing shampoo, and if you suffer with tangledness and dryness, then honey, you ain't gonna want to go for it because I literally just said strip everything out. You gotta listen to what I be saying, okay? I ain't gonna be like, dang girl, this is some horrible shit. You know, I'm gonna be like, it's drying because it's not necessarily horrible because there's somebody out here who needs something that's probably gonna strip their hair out. I mean, you know, strip all the oils out their hair, so that'll be a good shampoo for them. You know what I'm saying? Have you ever not disclosed a sponsorship? No, I always let you guys know because there's no reason to hide it because my family over here supports me whether I'm getting sponsored or whether I'm not. And I love that I have created this environment where I can grow and show you guys and be honest and truthful. And I love y'all so much. Like, y'all allow me to just do anything, and I think it's because I share everything with you guys. So, you know, we always, if you guys don't know, I kind of go live every Friday or every weekend or like every week. Like, I go live all the time, and I delete the lives just because I want it to be in the moment. But we talk about a lot of stuff, okay? A lot of stuff. Make sure you subscribe and have your bells on, because I think when you have your bells on, then you'll get notified when I go live. Have you ever had a bad interaction with a brand? Oh, shit. Yes, I have. And this brand was actually Aunt Jackie's. They did some stupid shit to me. Basically, they kind of had this Christmas thing that they were doing. They invited me, but they invited other influencers, but they gave other influencers money for a costume, but they said they weren't going to give it to me because I should just be happy to be in attendance, to actually be in the environment of their success. Hunty. So yeah, I didn't feel the good vibes, and the way she came off was so goddamn rude. Ooh, I'm telling y'all. And to this day, I will not support their brand. It was just very disrespectful. And she was like, I'm doing this so you can get your numbers up. And I don't know if she just didn't know I had a YouTube channel at the time, because she reached out to me for my Instagram profile because it was their Instagram thing. But I don't know. It was just so bad as a company to talk to me the way she talked to me, because it took me back to when I was a smaller influencer, and I'm like, is this how you treat smaller influencers? You don't treat them the same as everybody else? Like, I didn't like that. Like, if I don't have numbers, I'm nothing to you. Like, honey, don't need you. Hello? Got my own thing. I'm gonna just worry about myself. And that really taught me to, like, minimize sponsorships or working with brands, because they don't give a shizzle about you at the end of the day. So that was like a big thing that I took from that. It was a learning experience. Yes, it was a bad interaction with them, but it was a learning experience. And I had some other bad interactions with brands. Have you ever bandwagoned with other people's thoughts on a particular product? No. I feel like if it don't work for my hair, ain't no way I can say it works for my hair. I'm the type that, like, on camera, if I'm putting it in my hair and it don't look right, I feel like y'all gonna be like, nah, Kim, you know that shit frizzy. So I just be like, oh, hell no. Like, let me get my shit together. If this shit don't work, I gotta say it. I gotta say it some way, shape, form, fashion. Like, I gotta let them know that it's not up to my normal task. So I'll be like, you know, this is fluffier than my normal wash and go. Like, that's how I'll be. And the last one is things other creators do that get on your nerves. Y'all long ass intros. I be trying not to fast forward, friend, but like sometimes y'all really just be talking about nothing, and I just be like, sis, you blowing me, sis. Get to the point. Sometimes y'all long ass intros be getting me to the core of my soul. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Y'all about to be like, give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.